Behind the protest.
Today, we are joining the chairman of the Copyright Society of Nigeria, Coson, Chief Tony Okoroji, in solidarity to protest against what we believe is the highest level of injustice in the land. Yes, you may want to wonder why this protest. The Attorney General of the Federation, sometime in 2017, gave a directive to the Nigerian Copyright Commission, the organization regulating copyright matters in Nigeria, to approve another collective society in the same class of copyright that Coson has already been approved to manage. And those of us in Coson felt this wasn't right. And every attempt was made to reach the Attorney General, and indeed, Chief Tony Okoroji met the Attorney General, and he confirmed in his clear words that he was misled, and he was going to ensure that in 7 days this decision was reversed. 7 days translated to 1 week to 1 month, 1 month to several months. And as law-abiding organization, we didn't think taking laws into our hands was the best thing to do. Rather, what we did was to approach the court. And when we went to court, what were we asking the court to do? To determine whether or not the approval of Music Copyright Society of Nigeria is in line with the provisions of the Nigerian law. This matter was before Justice Buba in the Federal High Court in Lagos. We are aware that several attempts were made to intimidate Justice Buba, to the extent that one day he came to court to announce openly in the courtroom that come rain, come shine, he was going to deliver judgment. That was on the 6th of December. That the petition was written against him with regards to that particular matter. On the 14th of December, when he was to deliver judgment, he said again in the open court that the file for that matter has been taken away from him. And it is very obvious that something is wrong. Nobody wants that question to be answered. Is it true? Is it within the ambits of Nigerian law for the Music Copyright Society of Nigeria to be so approved? It didn't end there. While this was all going on, the chairman of Coson was removed from office by some elements who didn't want him to continue this dogged fight. Thanks to God, the management and board of Coson and the General Assembly returned him based on the powers of the Constitution which they have to act on. And today, he is the substantive chairman of Coson. And in the beginning of this week, he began a one-man protest to say that injustice must not prevail, that the judiciary must not be muzzled. If you cannot have justice in this country through the judiciary, I wonder where is the hope of the common man. So we have started this protest in Lagos at the instance of the chairman of the board of Coson, and it happened also in Abuja the day before yesterday, in the office of the Attorney General and the Federal High Court. And today, we are in Edo State to tell the people of Edo what is happening. That there is a syndicate, there is a group who wants to muzzle the judiciary, who wants to deny the judiciary from doing their legitimate job. We must free the judiciary. Malami is not the law. Malami must allow the rule of law to prevail. And that is why we are saying that Malami is not above the law. He should allow Justice Buba deliver the judgment. Everyone has a right to appeal when you are dissatisfied with any judgment. If the judgment is given and there is any party who is aggrieved, he should go to the appellate court to ask for whatever he wants to